In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize Microsoft Planner buckets. We'll walk through two clear ways to structure your board and how to set them up so your team always knows what to do next. You'll hear both a process-based approach and a deadline-driven approach, and you can pick the one that best matches how you work. First, the workflow method, also known as a classic Kanban setup. This is ideal when your work naturally moves through stages from left to right. Start with a backlog bucket to capture ideas and tasks that aren't started yet. This is your parking lot, so you don't lose anything, but nothing here is committed. Next, create a to-do bucket for tasks you've decided to tackle in the current cycle. These are the items your team is actually promising to deliver soon. Then add an in-progress bucket for work happening right now. This keeps your current focus crystal clear and prevents overcommitting. After that, set up a review or QA bucket for items waiting for approval, testing, or final checks. Finally, use a done bucket for completed tasks. Keeping done visible is helpful for weekly reporting and for showing progress to stakeholders. In this method, tasks flow left to right as they advance, giving you an at-a-glance status of the entire plan. Next, the timeframe method, which works best if you manage around hard dates or sprints. Create an urgent bucket for items that must be done today. Keep this very tight so it remains truly actionable. Then a this week bucket for the high priority tasks to finish within the current 5-day window. Follow that with a next week bucket for what's on deck, so you can plan ahead without crowding today's focus. Finally, a future or later bucket holds longer term goals and nice to haves. This structure keeps time sensitivity front and center while still giving you a place to park ideas that aren't ready yet. To set these up in Microsoft Planner, go to your plans board and rename or add buckets to match your chosen method. Click the three dots next to a bucket title, choose rename in the pop-up, and type the title you want. If you need a new bucket, simply add a new one and give it the appropriate name. Keep bucket names short and clear so your team can scan them quickly. And remember, you can drag tasks between buckets as work moves forward or deadlines approach. Choose one method, stick with it, and review it regularly. A consistent structure turns your planner board into a reliable control center for your team's work.